legal protesters and legal residents of our state. And I am standing here with you and every day with you to stick out and stand up and say we have to protect the rule of law. We need ICE out of our state. And I will not stop fighting until this criminal and lawless administration is out